Hi there, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making turkey meatloaf muffins, which I'm really excited about. I actually made these last night and they went over really good with the kids. My oldest can't stand meatloaf and she actually ate these. They're almost like a meatball for kids. I like to serve mine with little toothpicks because it's always a little bit funner to eat them like that. But check these out. Don't they look so amazing? Make sure you guys subscribe so we can keep cooking together, and let's get started. So we just finished our turkey meatloaf muffins. They are still hot, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in for a taste test because I don't want to wait any longer. You guys, they're so good. I think my favorite part about meatloaf is the glaze on top, and this is really yummy. You're gonna love this one. You guys let me know in the comments if there's anything else that you want to see me cook. Also, make sure to subscribe so that we can keep on cooking together. Bye!